It is Asian Boys Production. We're back with the review of the Red Hayabusa. I'll take it down from the display board. I also got the mini one, which is from the auto drop shop, but then it came with a
Didn't we already do
tan
this?
one. No, we didn't.
Fine.
Okay, and as I compare it, this one's small. I mean, really small. His scene is horrible. If you subscribe, yeah, his scene is horrible. I mean, really. Let's just ignore him. Okay. This one is bigger, and also his armor could be removed, and then over here it could be removed. But then it's like have the thing on the top, so you have to remove the head first. But I can't because then it's actually really big. Okay, and it comes with a grenade, a frag grenade, and a peg. And then, let's see. Yeah, it's fully detailed. You can put the three any pegs or something inside. And it looks like a ninja, but then it doesn't count with a katana.
That's about 100 something Halo points.
175 Halo points. I mean, it sucks. Without the katana, it's not...
It's okay, like,
I know.
Shoulder pads and everything. The katana, it really finishes it up.
Yeah. So, you should get it. I mean, really, man.
It's worth the money. Oh,
Yeah.
And then there is one for $12.99, I think. It's coming out July 15th. It's a white Hayabusa with a generator. It's part of the equipment series. You can get it off of Amazon, pre-order it.
Yeah.
It's $12.99.
Yes, agreed. Okay, I lost this shoulder pad, but as you see over here, it has a sign right there, like GR3 or something. This one is for the right shoulder pad. And yeah, that's all. I'll just put it back here. And the next review is the EVA.
Don't be jealous.
If you like the EVA, I won't insult it or anything. Sorry, but I know someone that like it. Zane, I think it was. Be quiet. Would you shut up? Okay, it comes with a Covenant sniper and
Don't be reviewing it.
a peg, and a grenade, and that's all I could tell you for now.
Peace.
Bold. See ya later.